everyone, I'm Benita and today we will be unboxing the Logitech M331 Silent Wireless Right Hand Comfort Enduring Mouse, and here's the box with me. You can see that this mouse is uniquely packed, and on the front you can clearly see the mouse through this plastic window. You can also see an image of the receiver over here, and it also says that this mouse comes with the 24-month battery life. And on the back it says that over 90% noise reduction, same click feel, no click noise, and quiet mark. Over here you will find some basic retail information. You are also provided with the customer care details at the bottom, so you can reach out to them in case you have any queries related to this mouse. So that's all about the packaging. I will take out the mouse now. So over here, this is the user manual, and it contains all the important information about the mouse in different languages. So you should definitely read it once before using the mouse. Now this is the wireless mouse by Logitech, and it looks premium. It has a classic design and it's light in weight and very handy. On the side you can see that it has curved edge and it has dotted print for comfortable gripping and usage. Now talking about the buttons, the left mouse button, the right mouse button, and the scroll wheel all feel very smooth and comfortable. Over here, this is the LED light indicator. Now this is the power switch to switch on and switch off this mouse like this. And this is the optical sensor. Over here, this is the battery compartment, and inside this compartment you will already find a AA battery to power this mouse. And right next to the battery compartment, this is a receiver which goes into your PC or your laptop and connects this mouse to your system, and this is the receiver storage right next to the battery compartment. So it's quite convenient for you to carry this mouse with you, and you will not get this receiver misplaced. Overall, this mouse has a beautiful matte finish and it looks quite good. So that was all about the unboxing of this wireless mouse by Logitech. For more videos like this, stay tuned.